Hey you guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick to show you how I decided to measure out my yarn for my yarn braids. And this is the brand that I use. Let me see if it's, make sure y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? So this is the brand that I used from Walmart. I used the really big one, which was $7, and this is the smaller one for $3. Okay, so I use this bed from this post to that post to measure out my yarn. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to tie it around one end of the post. And then the rest of the way, I'm just unraveling, putting it around this, and I'm pretty much just walking back and forth doing that. I need more yarn to finish the top of my hair. So just go back and forth because I want them really long. I'll do this a couple times. So I still have some, I have a little bit left from the first time that I did this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop for now because I need to eat and I'm hungry. So I went around a couple of times. Because this bottom string is attached to the post, I'm going to cut a little bit longer than needed, just probably like right there. Okay. And then I'm going to get this chair. Hope you can see. I'm going to get this chair and I'm going to slip off this side. Take off this part of the post. Take off that side and cut where I had the thing. And I want to find that other piece where I cut off the other piece of the string because I don't want to cut that part in half. And I can't find it for some reason. I don't know where it is. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this. Where is it? Oh, okay, it already fell. Never mind. Alright, so I'm going to take it, pull it like this, hold on to it, and then take this other side and place it on the chair. And I'm going to take my scissors. Hold it tight, and I'm just going to cut. Just like that. Okay? And then it'll leave me with this side. I'm going to shake to see if anything else is falling off. I'm going to look for that piece again. I don't know where it is. Anyways, so then right where I have it again, I'm going to hold it tight, put my scissors there, pull it. It's actually long, this length is actually longer than I wanted it. So even if it's not all that even, it'll be alright. And so we're splitting that in half. And that's what we have. So then each side will actually be like that. So this will be the length of the hair that I'm using. Or of the yarn, the length of the yarn that I want to use. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I just go about braiding my hair. and I will show that in later on in the video.